This Saturday, May 31st at 10 a.m. Eastern, I'm releasing my pilot for my animated series Stormfellers on this channel. Simultaneously, we'll be launching a Kickstarter to fund future episodes of the series. If you aren't familiar with similar indie animation projects launching crowdfunding like this, the reason for the Kickstarter is because this is the kind of project that can't really be done or funded by just one person, like I did with the pilot. And I had a tremendous amount of help from other people, a team that we've built. There's a lot that I love about the pilot and things that I'd also like to improve, things like model fidelity, textures, and environments. Those are all things that cost time and people, which in this case we measure with money. The goal is set relatively low to fund just one episode of the new series, but there are stretch goals in place to fund a 6-episode season. I hope that you come back on May 31st and watch the pilot for Stormfellers, and if you enjoy it, you can share it with some other folks and perhaps even throw us some support on Kickstarter. This is the kind of project that doesn't really succeed on its own in the current algorithm state of things, so it really does need support in order to thrive. I came in this morning and finished up a couple of renders, and Stormfellers is effectively done. There's a couple of things that I'd like to tweak for next week, but tonight we have a premiere for some friends and family, and I can't believe it. I feel lighter already, and I think I should feel exhausted, but I don't. I'm just excited, and I'm glad to have got to this point. Very few people get here, and so regardless of how it's received or how well it does, I'm happy about that. If you're one of the folks who's like, Brookes, where have you been? And where's the new videos that aren't Stormfellers related? They're absolutely coming. I have some scripts written, some ideas in place. I just know that because I started this channel about almost 9 years ago at this point, or maybe actually 9 years ago, so much has changed on the platform, and the format of videos that I've been making stayed largely unchanged over that period of time. And we're at a point where it's not super conducive to myself or you to keep going in that format style. And there was a point that I reached a couple years ago that was just like getting something out weekly regardless of quality that I don't want to return to, and I don't think is optimal. And honestly, I feel relatively divorced from the person I was even like 2 years ago. And so I put a lot of thought into what are the best videos, like what do people actually want to watch, and what do I want to enjoy making, which ultimately came down to quality over quantity, and you'll see when those come. Hopefully you'll enjoy them. Otherwise, I've been incredibly busy just working in general, part-time on Stormfellers, especially to get it over the finish line, but funding it has been taking on a lot of work, as I described before. In March of last year, we filmed a course in Spain for Domestika, a course about Procreate Dreams, which I used extensively for Stormfellers. I'll leave a link in the description if you'd like to learn how to use Procreate Dreams. Some lovely people that I worked with there individually, the company as a whole, you're an artist company and you AI stuff, like not on the same page with them there, but if you'd like to take the course, go for it. Later this year, a book that a publishing company approached me to create on character design is coming out. I put a lot of work and energy into that. I wanted to make the book that I would have wanted to have when I was first starting out, so that'll be exciting to finally come out. And otherwise, on the freelance front, lots of different freelance projects, but I think most notably, recently I took on this contract to help with, that'll make sense in a couple months, the art team for Hello Kitty Island Adventure with Sanrio and Sunblink, which has been a really cool little, infinity gem in the career gauntlet, but it's just lovely folks to work with and a really nice time. Anyway, enough about me. Hope you've been well. I hope you come back next week to watch Stormfellers, the pilot, share it with other folks. Hopefully we get it off the ground. Thank you so much for watching, and have fun creating.